Good afternoon. My name is Miguel Martinez, and with Rodrigo Villarreal, we'll be talking about matrix operations and their applications. So, first off, what is a matrix? Okay, so a matrix is basically a set of numbers inside brackets. Here, each number is an element of this matrix. Okay, so here we have an example of a matrix. Here we have 5, -3, 1, -2, pi, and 6. This is considered a 3 times 2 matrix since it has 3 rows and 2 columns. Now, let's do some examples. For example, here we have the element A12. This is considered to be -2, since it is in row 1 and in column 2. With this same rule, we could try it out with A21, which is considered -3, and also with A32, which is considered 6.
Okay, moving forward in the lesson, let's talk about adding and subtracting matrices. Adding and subtracting matrices can only be done if matrices are equal. This means equal number of rows and columns. Let's see an example. In these matrices, it is -3, 9, 5, and -3, plus 6, 0, -1, and -5. You add or subtract in this case, adding directly in the matrix. The answer it is 3, 9, 4, and -8. Let's see another example. This matrix has 3 rows and 2 columns. 2, -4, 0, 5, 3, and 8. Minus -3, 5, -6, 9, 1, 1. This equals 5, -9, 6, -4, 2, and 7.
Okay, so now, having talked about adding, now we will be talking about multiplying these matrices. So, here we have a couple of examples how to multiplicate these matrices. Here we have a matrix 2 times 2 that will be multiplied by 8. So we have the 8 outside, we have 6, -1, -3, 2, and this will be multiplying each number inside of the matrix by 8. So this would give us 48, -24, -8, and 16. Let's now try out another example. Here we have 2 givens. A equals to -4, 3, 1, and 0, and B equals to -1, 8, -2, and 5. Now, if they give us the equation 3a plus 2b equals, what would that equal? Okay, so here we have to apply what we have learned and put the 3 in the outside and -4, 3, 1 and 0 inside. And in the other side we have to add it, and 2 in the outside, -1, 8, -2 and 5. At the end it will give us -12, 9, 3 and 0 plus -2, 16, -4 and 10, which at the end of the day would give us 14, 25, -1 and 10. This would be our final answer.
Solving matrix equations. Here you can see that matrix A is composed by numbers 2, 0, -8 and 4. Matrix B, it is -10, -9, 1 and 17. Let's see an example. They give us an equation that it is 3x plus b equals a. So in this case you need to isolate the variable x, and you finish with x equals 1/3 parentheses a minus b. So you subtract matrices a and b. That gives an answer of 12, 9, -9 and 13, and you divide this matrix by 3. That gives a final answer of 4, 3, 3 and -13/3.
Okay, so to finish off this lesson, we'll be talking about some undefined matrices, or basically a correct matrix of what makes a correct matrix and what makes an undefined matrix. This matrix right here is a one that's correct, since it has all of the attributes that makes it this way. Here we can see that the multiplication is done the correct way, that all of the numbers line up in the correct order. Now, this matrix right here doesn't add up. This is undefined and incorrect. So if you get this in a quiz or in any other place, you should put undefined.
Thank you.
Mr. Professor.